Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to design a soft pink princess cat nose piercing for production in a Sketchbook Pro. So the first thing you do when you open a Sketchbook Pro is to draw the perimeter by using the straight ruler tool. Then you open another blank layer to draw the reference lines. Once that is complete, then you apply color. In this case, it will be a soft pink princess cat gem. Once that is done, I'm going to reduce the size of the gemstone with the distort tool. Then I'm gonna add the prongs on each square side. And finally, I'm gonna add the 20 gauge L-shape nose piercing bar design. Setting. Finally, I'm going to merge all and duplicate all the nose piercings for production. So if you like my content, please comment and subscribe, and also check out my website in the link below. Thanks. Bye.